Well, where's my mom? Mom! 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 Mommy, are you here? Oh. Mommy! Oh. Where are you? Oh. Doggy, did you see Mom? Really? Where did she go? Sister, wake up! What? Mom, please. Sorry, Mom. I mean, sister. Did you see Mom? No. I just sleeping in the night, and older sister is still sleeping. Just sleep. Okay, okay. I can't sleep. Maybe I will check my dog. Oh, she's asleep. Rufy, up. Oh, sorry, I'm waking you up. Did you see Mom? Up. Oh, I'm sorry. How I'm gonna sleep? Oops, the chair. I'm gonna fix the umbrella because it's heavy. Whoa! Okay, it's finished. I'm so hungry. Wow, this is a lot of food. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Wait, I'm not yet. Dot, go. Dot, wake up! Oh, sorry, Mom. Why did you never sleep at night, sweetheart? Mommy, because I'm so sad. I'm waiting too long. Well, Ruby's and you in here, and your older sister is here, and your sister. Then why the fridge is open? And why the plate is gone? It's all my fault. Sorry, Mom. Bye.